Hi, and take a look at the 2021 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, battery saver, braking assist, power brakes, adaptive cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.